So, as a preview to the preparation of alkenes, let's talk just a little bit about this. You should recognize these two reaction types. Alkenes themselves can undergo addition reactions. Remember, an addition reaction is where two molecules combine together to make one. So X and Y, in this case, add across the double bond, changing the double bond to a single bond with X attached to one carbon and Y attached to the other one. That's a classic addition reaction. We'll talk about several of those in this chapter. Similarly, a molecule of XY can be eliminated to form a double bond. So that's how double bonds are created. You need to have some sort of atoms on two adjacent carbons that can be easily eliminated to make usually some sort of small molecule that's removed in order to give the double bond. So as just a preview to chapter 11, we'll talk about elimination reactions really in detail in chapter 11, how they happen, what their constraints are. So you don't need to know this reaction for this exam. We'll study it later. But just so you get an idea, if I have an alkyl halide, like bromocyclohexane, if I treat it with a strong base, like potassium hydroxide, I'm able to overall cause the elimination of HBr from that double bond there. So the mechanism is a couple of steps. You can tell because HBr itself is not the product that's formed. It's actually KBr and H2O, but we'll talk about that in detail later on.